In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of solar lights. I had just got these in and I just kind of want to unbox them and show y'all exactly what you get when you get a set of these things. Here you go. Here's a little set of instructions. The product name is Solar Lawn Light. So the solar panel is a 2 volt or a 0.3 watt. The battery light, the batteries in these things are 800 milliamp batteries. Charging time is 4 to 6 hours. We're a little late in the day, but I still think they'll go 8 hours in the summer and 5 hours in the winter. So yeah, you can kind of see there's a toggle on and off. It kind of goes over a little bit on how to install them. You know what, they're solar panels. You should be fine. So throw that there. Looking over all of this. Wow, there's a lot in here, everybody. You can kind of see all of this right here. So you got a 6-pack in here. You know, we always like a good 6-pack. We can go ahead and take them all out right here and show y'all exactly what one of these looks like. This is what it looks like here. You're just going to really put a... So there's that. So you got a piece right there, and that's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to stake it in the ground, but it looks like they give you the option to be a little lower if you want. So you can go higher or lower. I might kind of alternate between the both of them. Let me go ahead and set these up and put them down. It looks like you got a little piece of things you got to peel off right there. You pull that out like that. Check it out. Off, on. So these are on. There you go. That looks awesome. That's more like an old school type look to them. So to turn them on, you're going to open them like that. Pull on that. Go over. You can see off, on. Check it out. Let me go ahead and set all these up, and then I'll come back and show y'all exactly what these things look like while I'm got them installed. So let's do that. I cut down some bushes right here, so I wanted to kind of light this area up. I put them right here. You can kind of see where they're installed right here. You can go pretty deep with them. You can go all the way down with this when it's set up like this. So I have all 6 of them lined up here. So let's go ahead and cut over to the nighttime, and let's see what these things look like at night. So let's do that now. All right, here we are, everybody. It's nighttime, obviously, you can see now, and they just all came on. Look how awesome these things look. They really do have kind of like a rustic feel. I ran them down from the fence line there and just ran them along the side of my house right here where this corner is. I really like these, by the way. I do have a motion light over here that just lit up, and you can kind of see how they look there. They look great. I absolutely love these things. I highly recommend these outdoor kind of walkway lights. Lawn and garden walkway lights, you know what, they can fit a little bit of everything. That's all I got today, everybody, and I will see you guys in the next video.